Content marketing in 15 steps. Everything together, content marketing can seem like a complicated process. But it doesn't have to be. Follow these steps, and you'll create and promote great content. 1. Create a plan. A content marketing plan is essential to your success. Without one, you'll waste time and effort and barely reach your goals. With one, you can set goals and measure progress. A good plan includes a mission statement. This defines the purpose of your content. Goals. These represent what you want to achieve with your content. Timeline. This determines how long you'll spend creating and promoting content. Roles and responsibilities. This defines who's responsible for which parts of the plan. Resources. These tools you'll need to implement your plan, such as editors, web hosts, marketers, content creators, etc. 2. Research topics. The best way to create a plan is to research topics. Where will you find these topics? Anywhere you can find people who are interested in what you have to offer. Your current customers, potential customers, and niche communities are all great places to start. The more research you do, the better your plan will be, and the more effective your content will be. So dedicate some time to research, and you'll soon see the benefits. 3. Create a list. A content marketing plan includes a list of posts. Start by adding the mission statement and goals to the list. After that, add the topics you researched. Order the list according to importance and deadline. As you add new topics to the list, keep it organized by creating different lists. For example, you may have one list for social posts, one for SEO posts, and one for lead capture posts. This makes it easier to find ideas for each type of content and to create them at the right time. 4. Schedule posts. Now that you have a content marketing plan, you can't post whenever you feel like it. You must schedule your posts, ensuring you'll publish content at the right time to reach your audience and meet your goals. 5. Create original content. You have to create great original content to inspire and delight your audience. Original content includes blog posts, social media posts, videos, and other forms of media. Don't simply repost others' content, your audience wants to hear from you. To ensure your content is consistent and high quality, implement the process described above. That is plan, research, create a list of posts, schedule posts, and create original content. 6. Promote your content. You've spent time creating and editing it, now let people hear about it. Your promotional tactics should aim to reach new audiences while engaging with existing readers. You should also monitor your content for engagement and feedback. Respond quickly to comments and questions. Encourage your followers to engage with your content with calls to action. 7. Keep your list fresh. Your list is your best asset, and your contact database from which you build contact relationships with potential and existing clients. Many sales professionals recommend that you follow up with someone who purchases from you in the future within 2 days of their buying. That's because the point of list building is to increase your chances of getting a response when you contact them. It would help if you also were wary of letting your list grow too large and unwieldy. 8. Find your audience's pain point. So now you should be thinking, what is the one thing people need to do that would make their lives easier, more efficient, and better for them? 9. Tell a story. You're now ready to start telling your journey in the form of a story. It doesn't have to be a long one, and it's not even required to be a complete one. It should be short, to the point, and memorable. 10. Be human. When your audience feels that you have been genuine to them, they are more likely to trust you and act. Your final advice for your business is to remember that the ones doing the work are your best marketers and salespeople. So lead by example. Do your best not just to build something useful for others but also to be a team player, a we person, and an asset. 11. Be authentic. You might have to change how you do things to advance your business successfully. But to change how you do something, you first must be yourself. You must admit that you are doing your best with your resources. You must not only ask for help or take on projects from those who can help you, but also pass on the information and share your knowledge. 12. Create amazing design. You might be in the business of designing a product, but you can be in the business of creating a beautiful design that moves people, builds relationships, and drives change. We all have to use the available tools, but we can all aspire to create something beautiful. We can be unique when we are honest about what we have to work with and where we are. 13. Use killer headlines. Headlines are the first thing people see about the content on a page and can influence whether or not they read it. People crave and seek out good information, in fact, more than anything else. They are desperate for something to be so interesting, meaningful, and captivating that they don't have to think about it, they have to read it. 14. Divide and convey complexities. People need to be able to understand what you're describing. It means simplifying complicated issues, theories, ideas, and concepts. Every idea deserves to be presented in the most straightforward way possible, and it can be done with redundancy and simplicity or by using metaphors, analogies, and examples. 15. Provide value and give away stuff. Sharing information is a valuable form of marketing, and it is much more effective than just telling people what you do. Give away something special and unique that people value. This can be in the form of a PDF, white paper, guide, or video. You're adding value to your audience when you give away something people want. Conclusion. In the summary of this video, we've covered a wide variety of content marketing steps that are effective when used in conjunction with one another. Our team at PC Social is grateful to be able to provide value to our following across our social media channels. Please feel free to share this cheat sheet with your friends and colleagues.